CN freight train here at Argenson Park. I think it's going to be on the spur. Yeah, it's headed on the spur line. At about 5:45 p.m. We have an eastbound. Looks like it's all going to be grain cars. So it's the 19th of October, 2025. So here it goes, it's going up the Butler Spur. There you can see it's going up the Butler Spur. Yeah, gone are the days with the colorful freight cars with the chassis system and the Conrail and all the other missing locomotives and missing freight cars that had a lot of color, a lot of splash. Now it's nothing but graffiti, unfortunately. Yeah, in the 70s and 80s, freight trains used to have nothing but really great graphics. Railroads took pride in basically their image, unlike today where they just splash anything on a car, a couple of lettering marks, and that's it. Back in the day, there was some interesting things to see on train cars, other than just the sheer size. The CN is actually one of those logos that made it into the modern era. That logo is actually about 60 years old, and it's been used almost continuously. In fact, it is continuously used for that long. And that's the end of the train there. It's heading up the spur line. That spur line goes to the South Shore, to the Victoria Bridge, and it misses the Pointe St Charles yard. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.